Hello, dear traders. Welcome. This is Thursday, and we are going to have a trading session live right now. My name is Thomas. Let me first of all introduce myself. So once again, I'm Thomas, and I've been trading and working with Olymp Trade for the last 5+ years, or maybe even like 7 years. So the company is will be turning 8 years in September, in the middle of September, and we will definitely have some nice events dedicated to this topic. Yeah, well, today we have a regular trading session. I'm open to all questions from you, whichever questions you have. So I will try to answer them as fully as possible. And today's trading session is going to be definitely one of my top 5 strategies. Belongs to my top 5 list of strategies. And this strategy is called Safari. Now, many of you have traded or probably have seen my webinars trading with Safari. So this is once again, this strategy works pretty well. I love this strategy. And so once again, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. We have this nice little chat here. I will be happy to answer as many questions as I can. You can just say hi to me. That'll also be very I'll be very grateful for that. So that gives me a little bit of understanding that you're actually watching this webinar and you're actually liking it. You can ask me all kinds of questions, and yeah, let's jump straight into it. So if you want to enable this trading strategy, so first of all, you have got to have expert status, or maybe like a test drive of this expert status, or maybe you can even purchase a pack of trading strategies, or you can basically adjust and add these trading strategies to the chart yourself. And how do you do that? So you go to the, first of all, technical analysis tab. Next, you need to click on the trading strategies tab. Then you want to scroll down a little bit to the down, a little bit to the bottom, and here it is, Safari. So I press enable, and this strategy automatically appears on the chart. So basically a few clicks and we are here. Mahi Trader, thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you. Trading for you. So hopefully my trading sessions will help, well, at least if they help 2-3 traders, I will be happy. If they help more, I will be happy even better. So a few little adjustments. So I always kind of want to make this centered. What color do we want it? Okay, let it be orange. All right, so we are going to have orange Williams %R indicator. And what about the MACD indicator? So we don't really need this signal line. It's not disappearing. Would you disappear? Okay, just not disappearing. Okay, doesn't matter. Right. And then let's make this histogram a little brighter, a little thicker. So do you want it yellow? Yeah, it's fine. We can do it. You can just leave it blue, pretty visible. All right. And then, yeah, pretty much we start trading. So guys, I had a few. Hello everyone. Hello Chena. Hello Lloyd. Hello Madhav. Guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. So how does this strategy work? This strategy works in a very simple way. Basically, we have 2 trending indicators that help us identify trend. So if you want to identify a strong trend, you need to have at least 2 confirmations. Like you always, it doesn't just apply to this trading strategy. In general, it applies to all kinds of trading strategies, where if you want to confirm that we are in a strong trend, you want to get multiple confirmations. Now, in this example here, in this strategy, basically, so we have this MACD histogram and we have the Williams percent R histogram. So two confirmations, two layers of confirmations, basically layer 1 and layer 2. Okay, so how about gold? Okay, so gold, I've just opened a trade in the downwards direction. So why did I do it? Because the MACD histogram is under the middle line. It is under the zero line here. You can see that. And also the Williams percent R histogram is also under the middle line. So basically we have two confirmations that confirm to us that we are in a downtrend. It is as simple as that. So basically two confirmations for down and once again for down, and that's it. Basically two layers of confirmation, and we can open a trade. Now I think I've just seen a few examples where this strategy where there was no signal. Okay, so first of all, let me go ahead and open a trade in the upwards direction here on USD JPY, so the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Now, for those who are following the markets closely, we can see that so we have dropped from 140, kind of like a very, very strong level. So we didn't even touch it, but we came very close to it. And then now we have gone like what, 5% down? Like basically a big change, a relatively big drop. All right. And well, we are trading here, and now this is a trade in the upwards direction. So we have confirmation layer of confirmation number one comes from the MACD indicator. It looks up. It's looking up here, and Williams percent R. So the Williams percent R indicator is also looking up. So it is right above this middle line, the minus 50 line. So there is a comment from Abhishek. So I just want to let you know, guys, that sometimes we have a little bit too many inquiries to customer support, and sometimes it does take a little longer to reply. So we try to reply as soon as possible, but sometimes we just have like this huge line of requests, and we are trying to process them ASAP. But sometimes it just takes a little longer. So I sincerely apologize about this, and hopefully your question, your inquiry will be addressed very soon. So one more trade. Now in this case we are looking at euro, so the euro against the GBP, so the Great Britain pound, and two layers of confirmation on this chart are telling me to open a trade down. Wow, so what's going on gold? So basically on gold we are, so that was very, very close to a win, but nevertheless the trade closed with a loss. Right, I will open one more trade here because the signal is there, and the thing is that the price just didn't really move anywhere, so it kind of stayed in one place. So what can be another? So Asia Composite Index, USD JPY. All right, so let's watch closely. So the USD JPY just not getting enough of the upwards momentum. All right, we will see that. And so yeah, let's go ahead and open a trade on the euro against the US dollar. So basically this is our top currency pair, where I think roughly definitely more than 50% of all forex trades or currency trading in the world is happening right now, because that is the like the biggest, the most volatile, and well, maybe not the most volatile, but the most heavily traded currency pair in the world right now. So right, so the euro GBP is going in the downwards direction, which is totally fine. What's going on with gold? All right, so gold might be a trend reversal. Unfortunately, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting that. So since we kind of entered this narrow corridor from top downwards, and I was expecting that we would continue sliding down. All right. So let me go ahead and open a trade on Arabian General Index. And so this asset is looking so for down trade. Yes, the signals are there. And Euro GBP is closing with a profit. So now what I'm going to do in this case is I want to use a help of pending orders. So I want to set a pending order which will be triggered once the price goes up to this level. So even though I have a signal for a down trade here, okay, right now, I want to wait for a little pullback. And so hopefully this pullback happens. And the thing with these pullbacks is that they happen way too quickly, and sometimes you just don't have enough time to react. So when you don't have time to react, these pending orders can really help you because they're basically watching the chart when you are not there. And yeah, that's a great tool that basically helps you. Well, first of all, it helps you get a better price when entering the position. So that is also a very important thing. But most importantly is that it basically allows you to kind of like watch all the charts and it helps you a little bit with automation, I would say. Now, the pound against the Japanese yen. So we are like trading sideways here on this asset, and well, let's say just not really going up, not really going down, like really going sideways. And I can see that the MACD indicator is telling us to open a trade up, yet the Williams percent R indicator is telling us to kind of wait a little bit and open a trade down. So these two layers of confirmation are now contradicting one another. And basically in this case, you just want to skip this trade and wait for a more for a better signal. Like in this example as well. So BDIX, so basic dollar index. So kind of looking down now on the two indicators, but well, let's just wait. So, so gold is a little tricky. It tricked me twice, so I don't really want to play with it once again. Let me just go ahead and trade. So I'm thinking about this Arabian General Index, and yeah, the two layers of confirmation are there. So hopefully this trade will close with a profit as well. Now, Asia Composite Index. All right, so we kind of went up. Now we are making this little pullback. But the both indicators in this strategy are suggesting that we will reverse. So there will be a price reversal and continuation of this uptrend. Basically went up. So wave 1, wave 2, and then wave 3, which will go up. Okay, so that's my prediction on this trade. Okay, and my trade, so Euro GBP pending order has just been triggered, and so let me go ahead and reload the platform. Yeah, guys, that's a good suggestion from. All right, now the platform is loading. We are back. So yeah, we have a nice little proposal from Kenix Kitty. So this user says, use trading signals. Let's see whether basically a loss or a win or profit. Um, so guys, you can check out our trading signals, which are, where are they? They are here in the help section, and you wanna scroll down to assets, and so there are no trading signals for this asset, but there are trading signals for other assets, and basically you will get them. You can easily get them, and well, I mean, like, you can test them yourselves. I mean, I did it many times. I tried. What I can tell you is that 5-minute signals and 15-minute signals, they work so much better than like 1-minute signals. Like, basically 1-minute signals is like, it's basically like trying to toss a coin. It's like tossing a coin. Like, you don't really get any like real statistical advantage. And okay, so kind of like a quick fresh entry into GBP JPY, so the pound against the Japanese yen asset, upwards. And all right, let's see how this one closes. So we are just 10 seconds away from closing on this trade, so 8 seconds to go. So I hope that this trade will close with profits. 2 seconds to go. Nice. So we are closing with a profit. And and I want to open another trade here, right? So we have the signal. The signal is there, so 2 confirmations are there, so why not? So Asia Composite Index. Now, it's just last 2 seconds, and as you can see, the both indicators are telling that yes, the momentum and the sentiment on this asset has changed. So these 2 last minutes are now looking down. Wow, that is a that's going to be a profitable trade here on euro, on the euro GBP. So yeah, this Mahajantar index is not showing any good signal right now. It's kind of going going sideways, and I would say it's just, yeah, I would say like 1, 2, how many, 12 candlesticks, all in the same position, not really going anywhere. So it's kind of like trading trading in a corridor. Oh wow. So basically that was a false signal. So it just appeared, and I was hoping, I was expecting that there will be a breakout here, that the price will eventually break above this level of resistance. This it's a relatively small, non-significant level of resistance, and that the price will break above it and the price will go up. Unfortunately, it didn't do so. So wow, gold is very tricky. But gold, so I've been holding on to this position since so on Forex. When did I open this trade? I opened it 15th July. Wow. So that's like 2 weeks ago. I opened this trade on gold, and I think I should be closing. I should be taking the profits from this trade soon, because otherwise, I don't know, like. Yeah, I think I should really take my profits here soon, when the price reaches 1,750. I think that would be maybe even higher, a little bit higher, but still, that's a nice trade. Like, overall, that's a 100% profits with, but my risk in this trade was also a little bit big. I was risking 50% of the amount of the trade, and so maybe that is why I'm being a little bit greedy with this trade now. I don't really want to close it right now. I want to wait a little bit more. How long are you going to? Yeah, well, exactly. Yeah, Michael, I saw your questions. I mean, first I answered and then I saw your questions. Basically, yeah, that was a funny coincidence. So yeah, like I said, I plan on holding maybe a few more days. So hopefully the price reaches my desired level. Now let us open a trade on commodity composite index, so CCI. Two layers of confirmation. Layer of confirmation number one tells us open trade down. Same thing with this minus 50 level. So Oasis index, Kahwa index. Brent. Well, guys, this looks tempting. So basic altcoin index. I think we should give it a try. I mean, like it looks very promising. Like, see, it kind of stays for 1 to 3 candlesticks in a very narrow range, and then it kind of bursts, explodes, and just goes up quickly with these green candlesticks. GBP, GPY. Okay, guys, I'm risking it. I want this trade to go up. Like basically, yeah, that was my bears or bulls trap in this example, and now I think we should go up now. Okay, so I don't really want to close this trade. I think I still have pretty good chances of winning. So I'm kind of entering a little bit late on this downwards wave. But anyways, let's see. What is multiplier in Forex and how does it work? If it is a multiplier 500, does it mean that the profit gets multiplied? Yes, exactly. Basically, the multiplier is basically suggests that you will your potential profits and your potential risks will be multiplied by 500 or 200 or 100 depending on your multiplier. So basically multiplier is a way to make more money in a short period of time because, well, basically everything grows, or at the same time you also have to understand, you have to admit, or I have to admit, that your risk also grows. And okay, guys, I think we should give it another try on commodity composite index, right? So yeah, let's give it a try. So we are 2 layers of confirmation, profitable trade. Perfect recipe for another trade on this asset. Let's keep our fingers crossed. I will keep my fingers crossed. Forex daily 5% profit possible, sir? Yes, absolutely. Everything is possible if you just, so you've got to decide. All right, so 5% is can be easily done, but at the same time 5%, your losses might be like 100% in one day. So your profits, you know, if let's imagine this case. You open a trade up on the Euro USD chart, and this chart, the price goes up by 1%. But if your multiplier is 500, so basically your profit, your potential profit is 500%. So if you invest $100 and you manage to predict the direction of this trade correctly? Well, basically, you've just multiplied your profits by 500. Like, so this $100 turns into $500. 5 times bigger, 500% gain in this GBP GPY chart is killing me. It's the same story with gold. Just some charts are not friendly towards me, guys. I'm just no, I will not trade this chart anymore. Wow. So finally Mahajantar index is dropping. Started moving. So I'm a little bit cautious about so this middle of each hour is basically this time that we usually see a little bit of extra volatility on the markets, and so I kind of want to be more cautious. Well, first of all, I had in the beginning of this webinar, I had a little bit of a losing sequence. So 2 losing trades, 1 profit, 2 losing, and then I had 2 profitable, 1 losing, loss profit, 3 profitable, loss profit. All right, so the count is more or less equal now. Yes, wow, what kind of asset is this? I think now there will be a breakout now from the 3rd try. So I should have probably just used this level of resistance, and I should have just opened trade downwards. Yes. Now it's definitely going to be a breakout. Oh my god. It has been long you guys conducted tournament. Yes, that is true. And right now we have a few experimental tournaments going on right now. Not for everyone, but for a small percentage of our traders. And also we plan. So I think it should be. I think it is under development, and it will be released very soon. Like this. Okay, so my final attempt. So the pound against the Japanese yen. I can really see that we are pushing up. So this parabolic curve, it went down, and now we should be going up. Now went down, we should be going up. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'm excited about tournaments. I love tournaments. I love this kind of like excitement, this thrill that you can actually win something, that you compete, you have a leaderboard. So all these things are gold. Okay, so I missed on a few trades. I didn't take advantage of these signals from the Safari strategy on gold. But at the same time, now thanks to Forex, my profit. Well, I think I should be closing these trades. Okay, so let me go ahead and so my stop loss will be at what my take profit. Oh, sorry. That's my stop loss. Okay. My take profit is yes. Should I do it? Yes. Let's do it. So we can set a take profit, not just in percent, but by this exact quote, which is a great thing. Basically, it is very convenient. So that's yes, like managing your open position, managing your orders is just very, very important. So is there gonna be a breakout here, guys? I'm really waiting for this breakout. I've been like, where is this breakout? It's like it's what? So now, right, we are past the middle of this hour, and I think we can now resume active trading. So I think we have 10-15 minutes left until the end of this webinar. So Asia Composite Index, that'll be my next trade. I like these breakdowns, these drops. No, let's just cancel it. Okay, I saved $5, but well, basically my stubbornness here, it cost me like $70, I think. So yeah, not a good asset, GBP GPY. Even though it looked very, very tempting, but just sometimes these assets, they can fool you, they can trick you. Arabian General Index. So let's give it a try. So we signal like an up signal here. So the two layers of confirmation are here. Layer of confirmation number one, layer two. JPY currency too much volatile. It's both. It's volatile and it's just very, very dangerous. I don't know. It's just like basically tricked me into losing some money that I wasn't expecting to lose. So I'm trying to find a few more signals and cannot really find them. All right, all right. Where is Angie? Long time now. I don't know. We actually work in different departments, so I don't know where is Angie. So no, it's Alex and Yaroslav. Maybe she's on vacation. Who knows? um, let's give it a try. So the USD JPY, and so Asia Composite Index. Okay, let's open a trade down here. Wow, Euro USD. Yes. So we are like opening a trade on a pullback. So we kind of went down and then kind of reversed, making this little pullback. So that's always a good moment to open a trade for continuation. and also the signals were there. Okay. So guys, now I have four active trades, four open positions, and let's see how they close, how the result of this trade will be, because now it's going kind of like 50-50. I don't really have a decisive winning streak here, so I don't want to rush it, because like normally when you are like winning on almost all trades, and that's where you kind of want to even start increasing your amount and your maybe the number of trades in general. But when it's just going 50-50, you maybe want to slow down a little bit and not like not be very, very active. Guys, anyone facing the order doesn't place instantly and takes 4 seconds to place a trade. Well, first of all, you need to check your internet, and well, I'm just seeing that my browser is also kind of very, very slow now. I think I maybe have too many programs running simultaneously. I should close some of my active windows. Yeah, so that can be reason number one. So guys, I would say like trading can be okay. So when you think about trading, when you think about a trading strategy, so you have to understand that there are certain strategies and like certain combinations and certain indicators, and they work in the long distance. So sometimes you might, it's like well, I mean, like it's like running a competition, running a marathon. Like, yes, with like maybe running a marathon, everything can be stable. But when you like maybe it's a Formula One racing, and you don't always have the same speed. You kind of have like faster sequences, and then you have slower sequences. So with trading and trading strategies, the same principle applies. So unfortunately, you cannot have a trading strategy that is gonna work like 100% all the time. So mostly what's going to happen is that you have more you are working with statistics. So and only by opening a large number of trades, you can actually see whether this strategy is working for you, and maybe it doesn't, or it's not working for you. But you can only do that after you've opened many trades, and then you can see like, yes, out of 100 trades, how many of them are profitable, and whether you close in this trading session with profits or not. Now let me go ahead and calculate my profitable trades and my losing trades, and then we'll jump straight into conclusion of this webinar. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 profitable trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I think like 12. So it's 11. No, it's 11, 11. Right. So today's my winning ratio according to the strategy is 50%, which is not enough if you use the fixed amount of trade approach. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to maybe use some martingale principle or loss compensation system. That could be a solution. Or another thing that I told you. So I have like basically if you want to figure out whether this or that, like a certain strategy, works for you or not. So all you gotta do is you gotta open 100 trades preferably, and then after having opened these many trades, you want to see you just want to like see, yes, maybe this strategy works, maybe this strategy doesn't work, and only then you should jump into start making conclusions. So guys, I would like to thank you all for having attended my webinar. I think it was a very interesting trading session, and I definitely think that I'm pretty sure that this strategy deserves your attention, and um, maybe you want to try it yourself. So try using another device with good Wi-Fi. Well, yeah, I mean, like normally I'm not having any problems with that. It's just kind of like coincided that it's today. It's happening right now in this webinar. Like it wasn't, it didn't happen on my previous webinars. So sometimes you just cannot predict something. You know, it's just kind of like this black swan kind of principle. So guys, thank you very much. Wishing you nice profits. We have a big number now, more trading sessions coming up. Some trading sessions will be held in Hindi tomorrow, I think. And yeah, we also have quite many activities on our YouTube channel. So subscribe. Don't forget to press the like button here in this video. And so once again, my name is Thomas, and I will see you next Thursday with another trading session. So have wonderful profits, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.